Hi, my name is Manfred Nikitser. I'm the production designer for the Scorpions. I started to work on the new production design for the band last summer. That involved the entire stage and set design, lighting design, video concept, as well as kinetics and special elements. We came here to start the pre-programming for the upcoming Scorpions Las Vegas residency and the following Rock Believer World Tour. What we are here doing now is creating the dynamics within all the elements. So it's a very efficient load-in because we are very limited in time once we are there. So pre-production as close as it can be to the final result is very, very important. The original idea and concept was to have an old school traditional rock and roll steel-looking stage set. Therefore, Depence was a huge help because through the usage of PBR materials, we were able to look at the set from a construction perspective, but also from a design perspective, how the material would look with the lighting behind it and shining through it. And that gave us a very efficient workflow while we were designing the construction, because we never lost the actual look. We were always able to kind of swap back into Depence and were able to look at how the design looks instead of losing the idea. One big thing for this production design is the opening of a show in general. That was something we looked into detail very early already. We pre-programmed an idea of how the show opening can be and presented it to the band. And thanks to Depence, it was really possible to show it in a very dynamic way by recording all the elements in the upfront and then rendering it afterwards. That is one of the key assets where any design has to be nowadays. A level of quality we didn't have in the past. I think Depence closes the gap within production designing because it is the software that finally involves all the elements that are used within entertainment. We can stream the video content into the software. We can merge multiple external elements into it, such as lasers, other ArtNet streams. We can record all of them in the software and then render them in a proper quality that is needed, so we can finally present the actual idea in a quality that we all want. And so Depence fills this gap and is very efficient to have a creative workflow to get the best result in a very, very high quality.